Kajialang ke bajaja ban sim raikut ban penulang ya ke jingkut jingmut ni ka kabinet retreat ka soka kakut hadin ars ngi kenti mentakas ngi ka khanyo trik u klalangkot aja phunreu ha arukit resort mau ka siang kan New Shillong ha kani ka kabinet retreat nadu tirang ba ki menteri sokar ki officer IAS MCS nadu ki BDU hadu chief secretary ka jela kilailum langkum ka tim Meghalaya ban sandul nak benta ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot ka jela Thong ka bakong san kalong baki sipau mat negi 10 mission kani ka soka MDA2 ka blabu thong ban pelong ya ka jela ka bakot sya ka 10 billion US dollar haka yok ka kot house name ahja lai po ka mission ten ka soka kalong ban kentiu ya ka yok ka kot kelanti sengking ka boarding ka information and technology ka ying ka sem ka kam chingok kai ka jipun kup board ki samla ki long kami ka jingbai pisa bat ki wei te menta ngin sngap ayu mitrang ba an batai hol kani.
Uh, so, as you're aware that this is the third cabinet retreat, and it's a two-day retreat. As I mentioned to you yesterday, objective is to align the vision of different departments towards the larger vision of the state and the government as a whole. And number two, also to be able to allow the departments to set targets for themselves, share that target with the rest of the government and other officials, so everybody understands interdepartmental targets that are there. And it also, in a way, motivates and helps people see what the government and different departments are doing. So it's a great way to share vision, ideas, and to discuss and work together as a team towards the long-term goal of the state. Having said that, this particular cabinet retreat was focused on what we call the Mission 10 of the state government, which started with the $10 billion economy. But we also ensured that the $10 billion of GSDP would actually then work out into 10 opportunities of where we could invest and where we could work on to achieve that growth. How agriculture would contribute, how veterinary department would contribute, how tourism department would contribute, so on and so forth. And on each of these opportunities, what kind of jobs would be created while we work towards taking those departments forward. So those are the opportunities that we had, and the 10 opportunities, as you can see, is right behind me. There's the commitments and the opportunities also there. So these are the 10 things we discussed today, and rather it's halfway only, so there's another few more presentations left. Yesterday we discussed about the commitments that we have. So while we have these opportunities, what is it that we're giving back to the society while we target towards going towards a $10 billion economy? And that was discussed yesterday. For example, housing for all. So while the investments are being made into the housing and the economy is growing, we achieve the target of ensuring that housing is there for all. Drinking water. So while the social cause of ensuring that drinking water is done, investment is being made. So economy is growing, but a commitment is being achieved. Similarly, for example, power, stable power for all. So while we are investing in the power department, we are also ensuring that the social commitment of giving power to all the houses is being achieved. Education and health. So while we invest in schools, while we invest in buildings and different education and health sectors, so these investments, while it adds to the economic growth of the state, it also achieves that commitment that we have made, which ensures there's a joyful learning for all. There is health care for everybody. So all those kind of aspects were discussed, shared with everybody, and we've aligned everybody's thought process towards taking forward the state and achieving the larger goal.